A swim spa can weigh anywhere from 600 to over 1,000 pounds empty. We just moved this one from Phoenix, Arizona to Portland, Oregon, and in this video, we're going to show you how. This is a 2022 Master Spas H2X Challenger 15D, a top-of-the-line endless lap pool that was sold on Commonplace. Commonplace is a nationwide marketplace for buying and selling large secondhand items, including swim spas, hot tubs, saunas, fitness equipment, and furniture. If you're looking to save thousands on a swim spa by buying secondhand, consider Commonplace, where you can find a verified swim spa from anywhere in the country, delivered and installed in your home. If you decide to coordinate the move yourself, here are a few things you need to know. First, you'll need a truck and a crew of at least 3 to 4 people. This is not a 2-person job. Second, swim spas are almost always too wide to move through a standard fence opening or a backyard entryway. That means you'll need a licensed crane operator and make sure they carry liability insurance because in most cases, the swim spa travels directly over your home. Third, once it's placed, you'll need a licensed electrician to handle the hookup. Swim spas require a dedicated 240-volt circuit, and an electrician unfamiliar with spa wiring can misread the specs and recommend costly panel upgrades that often aren't necessary. Fourth, before any of this happens, the ground needs to be ready. Most manufacturers, including Master Spas, recommend a reinforced concrete pad at least 4 to 6 inches thick. A swim spa filled with water can weigh close to 20,000 pounds, and installing on grass, pavers, or any uneven surface can cause the shell to warp or crack over time. Plan for the concrete to cure for at least a week before delivery. And if you're still deciding whether a swim spa is right for you, here are 3 reasons Commonplace customers have told us they love owning a swim spa. 1, it's a full cardiovascular workout that's completely low impact. Water supports up to 90% of your body weight, making it ideal for all fitness levels and joint conditions. 2, it functions as both a lap pool and a recovery spa. The adjustable current lets you train, while the hydrotherapy jets help you recover all in one unit. 3, unlike a traditional pool, a swim spa can be used year-round and it fits in a fraction of the space. If you're looking to save thousands of dollars on a swim spa, hot tub, sauna, or other large secondhand item, visit trycommonplace.com, where you can browse verified listings and have your item delivered and installed anywhere in the country.